The system colors vary across computers. So any VI that uses system colors reflects the specific colors, system colors of the current computer. The system colors define the appearance of panel and object, panel and object text, window, window text, highlight and highlight text, as well as the color of the text that appears on top of these system colors. To view the available system colors, we can go to the Tools menu. From there, select Options. Doing so displays the Options dialog box. Then we can go to Environment from the category list, and in the color section we can remove the check mark from the Use Default Colors checkbox. We can click one of the color boxes to display the color picker. We can view the available system colors in the lower right corner of the color picker. So if we select this menu text color and apply the changes, then the menu text changes.